In this part, I will introduce some dimension tools which can make dimensioning process faster and easier. First, let's create some continuing dimensions from an existing dimension. Select Linear Dimension command and click the Dim Continue command. Select this dimension. Here you can see that the start-end of the continuing dimension depends on which side I select the existing dimension. As you're seeing, I click on the right side of this dimension. Then the right side endpoint of this dimension becomes the start point of the next continued dimension. And OK, press Enter to end the command. Next, let's pan down and create a linear dimension here. And I'm going to execute the baseline dimension command. Select the endpoint of dimensions and press Enter to end the command. You can see that the baseline dimensions are automatically staggered. Next, let's pan up and draw a center mark. Click Center Mark command in the ribbon, choosing this circle, and the center mark is drawn. And then press Enter to repeat the command. This time, let's choose this arc. And you can see the center mark is drawn here. Next, I'm going to quickly create a series dimensions from selected objects. Click the Quick Dimension command in the ribbon, and window select these objects. Press Enter. You are able to choose whatever dimension method you need with options in the command. For example, choose Continuous, and move the cursor to the right side of the objects. Find a proper position to place these dimensions. And press Enter to repeat the command. Select Objects, press Enter. This time I will choose Baseline option. Then move the cursor to the top side of the objects and place them. Repeat Quick Dimension command again and select these circles. Let's choose Diameter option this time. Then move the cursor to the left side of the objects and place them. Explore more in GstarCAD Dimension Tutorial Part 4.